Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mazda Savanna RX-7. So before I proceed with the unboxing, I just want to tell you one more thing guys, because a lot of people are asking this. So they want me to showcase the car without my hands. So I'm just doing that end of every video for 10 seconds at least. So if you guys want to watch the showcase, I know you can just either forward it to the end of the video, skipping the review, or you can just watch the review and then you can watch the showcase as well. I just try to use 3x lens to zoom in, and I'm just keeping that in place for you guys to see it. Okay, so with that said, so this is the premium version by Tomica, and the scale is 1 by 61. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I personally love the pop-up headlights, from the Countach, or even in Diablo more specifically by Tomica. They did it in Diablo when it comes to Lamborghini. So they didn't do in Countach, because I do have Countach from Tomica, the 25th anniversary edition. It doesn't have any pop-up headlights, but the Diablo has, and that looks super cool. And I do have the Toyota Supra that also has pop-up headlights. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, I think it comes with something here. I seriously never understood what this is, but let me just put this inside. Nothing else is inside. Let me just take the car out and then we can proceed with the next things. Okay, it is heavy. Let me just put this back and keep it safe. So I want to keep it back in the box itself. Okay, so here is the casting. So the first impressions of this casting, man, this looks so beautiful, and it is actually clean. I don't see any issues. You can see the interior as well. I really love the clear windshields, because it actually showcases your interior really well. And it has rear wipers. I don't see any wipers on the front windshield. I'm not sure why, but it does have this rear view mirror in the inside here. So the rims looks really cool. The detailing looks really nice. Okay, let's come to the front side. The grill details are actually embossed, and this part here, the indicators and everything is painted on, but this is the one I was waiting for, the pop-up headlights. Let's come to that in a minute. Okay, let's go to the rear. Okay, it has acrylics for the tail lights, which is so awesome. You can see the detailing, logo placement, and the detailing on the logo. Everything looks so gorgeous. Okay, so the chassis is plastic, if you guys are wondering. The body is fully metal and it is heavy. So the tires are actually plastic. This looks really nice. Let's open the doors and see how this one looks on the inside. That looks really cool. Let me just focus here. You can see the interior. It looks really good. Let's see if it snaps back. Yeah, it snaps back. And it has exhaust details also, which is really cool. And that looks really nice. Okay, let's go to the main part here. So you can see a small switch kind of thing here. So you need to flip this up to flip the lights up, headlights up. Let's do that. Yeah, so once you just go to this and it gives a click sound, so it locks in place, and this looks really nice. Let me just show you that. That's it. If you do that, it will come back. And if you want to open it up, just after this point, you just need to push a little bit further. I hope you guys can able to hear that click, or you heard it. So it locks in place and it won't go. Don't give so much force here. End of the day, it's plastic inside, so there's a good chance it might break if you put too much force on it. Okay, it has hood detailing as well, air intake and all, which looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this car. So the casting looks heavy. I am hoping that at least it will cross 40 grams. Yeah, 46 grams, which is really nice. Okay, let me put this aside. So I really don't want to do roll test for Tomicas, but anyway, this is rolling really. I mean, the wheels are rollable, so let's try that. Okay, it does reach the end, which is really nice, but it makes a lot of noise. So the wheel wobbles a little bit, but it is tolerable if you guys are going to play with it. But I'm happy that it rolls really well and reaches the end instead of getting stuck in between. And the color looks absolutely gorgeous. Everything is really, really beautiful. So if you guys get a chance to buy this one, go ahead and buy this one. So yeah, this part is also metal, that is not plastic. Only the one I really love this thing. They have acrylics for tail lights and all. So originally, if it came in India, the MRP would be somewhere around 799 or 899 or mostly 799 if I'm not wrong. Since this not coming in India nowadays, we need to pay around 1000 to 1100 or 1200 sometimes, and we are getting around that range. So just check in Facebook, you will get it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.